Now after differentiation, when you derive with respect to VBE, what you'll have in the equation? LHS you have 1 upon R pi, so you'll have 1 upon Vt, derivative of e raised to VBE by Vt with respect to VBE will give you 1 upon Vt, right, and rest of the term will remain as it is. So you'll have Is upon beta e raised to VBE upon Vt. This value we are left with, we are doing at Q point. Now this is nothing but the current IBQ at Q point. This is nothing but the forward bias diode current, and forward bias diode current is nothing but the IBQ. So I can replace it with IBQ at Q point. This value we are finding at Q point. So what I will tell, my Is upon beta e raised to VBE by Vt is nothing but a forward bias Is by beta. This is IC by beta, I can call the whole equation divided by beta is nothing but IB. So this is nothing but the DC value of current at Q point. So I am replacing it with IBQ. So I can write 1 upon R pi equals to IBQ upon Vt. So what will be R pi? The equation for R pi will be Vt upon IBQ. IBQ we can write it as ICQ upon beta. So when I am substituting over here, I can write it as Vt upon ICQ upon beta. So final equation for R pi, you can have R pi equals to Vt upon IBQ or beta Vt upon ICQ. This is after simplification you will get this. Now what is R pi? R pi is called as the diffusion resistance or the base emitter input resistance. What we have done is we have modeled the part of the transistor input portion we have considered, and we have got a resistance of R pi between the base and emitter. This is how we have modeled the input portion. Now we are moving to the output portion. So we have got a resistance of R pi. Now in the output portion, what you have the collector current IC. It is dependent on what? It is dependent on VBE. So what we can say, change in IC with respect to change in base emitter voltage can be written as change in the collector current with respect to change in VBE at Q point. This we need to find at Q point because we are applying the signal at the Q point. So entire analysis we are doing at the Q point, or we can say the above equation can again be written as I suffix small c, these are all capital values, equals to change in IC with respect to change in VBE at Q point. This value analysis we are doing at Q point and multiplied by the AC voltage VBE. Now we know the equation for IC. How we are writing IC? IC is written as Is e raised to VBE by Vt. This is the collector current. So if I am substituting this equation over here, what I will get? IC equals to change with respect to VBE, Is e raised to VBE by Vt into VBE, and this analysis we are doing at Q point.